Wagwan, everybody. Welcome to Rum Earth. This is a new series where we will be showcasing different cultures from around the world. Today, we will be showing the essence of Louisiana. You guys know I am a foodie, so I'm excited to be trying all the different food. Put your hands together and help me welcome Chef Edwina. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good. Welcome to Rum Earth, where we will be keeping the culture alive one meal at a time.
Thank you.
What will you be preparing for us today?
Today, I will be making jambalaya. New Orleans is known for many different things, but their staples are jambalaya, gumbo, crawfish etouffee, and of course, their beignets.
Is it spicy?
Actually, New Orleans has two different types of jambalaya. So you have a Cajun jambalaya, which is brown and spicy, and you have a Creole jambalaya, which is not as spicy, but it has tomatoes. So today we'll be doing a Creole jambalaya.
In Jamaica, we do use a lot of spice. Our favorite to use is the Scotch bonnet. That is super hot. We put it in like almost everything.
Oh, wow.
I've never had jambalaya before, so I'm excited to try it. So what are the ingredients in jambalaya?
So the ingredients is celery, onions, bell peppers, garlic, andouille sausage, rice, white rice, chicken stock, and shrimp, and tomatoes, of course.
So you can like substitute any other meat?
Yes, you can. Jambalaya, traditionally it's andouille sausage and shrimp, but you could always add chicken, and you don't necessarily have to use pork sausage. You could use turkey sausage or chicken sausage.
Okay, I love that. All right, let's get started. So now we're washing our vegetables. Nice quick rinse. We do have sweet pepper in Jamaica as well. Different colors, they say, brings different flavors.
Did you know that jazz is derived from African and Caribbean culture?
Wow, that is amazing. I see we're connected in so many ways.
Yes,
I love it.
We are.
I am a foodie. I love trying different food from all over the world, even though my favorite is Jamaican food. Since I've been in America, I got to experience a lot of different cultures, and I think food makes people happy. When people eat, especially when it's your favorite food, it brings back that special memory, like from your childhood. It makes you feel something. People are connected by food, like how people are connected by music. I think sharing food, if everybody can have a meal together, say for example, we used to traditional Sunday dinner. Everybody come together, everybody cook, your child, your adult, auntie, nephew, niece, just everybody, and then you sit at the table and you eat. Those times technology wasn't even a thing. You're having conversations, you're creating memories, you're eating, you're talking, you're learning how to cook. And in that time, a lot of us would complain that, oh, I don't want to grate the coconut. I don't want to, go pick the fruit. You don't know that through doing that, it's your parents or your guardians, they're actually teaching you how to keep the culture alive. Edwina, by cooking this dish, what does it mean to you?
To me, it means it means comfort, it means family, togetherness, and makes me happy.
I feel that. Sometimes all it takes is one meal to make you feel home.
Yes, very true. All right, just a little bit of oil, and then just wait for that to get hot. And the sausage. Yes, it's hot. And then just gonna cook it until the sausage is brown.
It smells so good.
It does, doesn't it? And then once the sausage is done, then we'll add our vegetables.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
You could put this on pizza as well.
You could eat it with eggs.
Can you back this one? Okay.
I love onion sausage.
I think it is so cool how, even though it's sausage or it's chicken, you can do so much to it and change the flavor and the taste.
You really can, yeah. And since it's andouille, it has a little bit of spice to it. I also like andouille in my shrimp and grits.
This doesn't take long to brown up at all.
No, it doesn't. It smells so good.
And this is like medium heat?
Yes.
Okay.
And this way you're getting all the flavors from the sausage.
Smell like it's ready already.
Yeah. Not quite, not quite. Down a little bit. Let's go ahead and add all our veggies. And then we'll cook our veggies until the onions start to be translucent.
The colors are looking so pretty.
Yes.
Who taught you how to cook this?
My dad actually. He's a chef, and then he was in New Orleans. He met my mom in New Orleans actually, and I feel like my mom just fell in love with him for his cooking.
Oh, wow. My dad was a cook as well, and he's been cooking from ever since. Everyone loved his cooking in the community. It was great.
Yes, I love my dad's cooking. And he's passed it on to me. He's passed it on to my sister. And now I'm involving my daughter in cooking.
Look at you, keeping the tradition alive.
And yes, yes. Cooking together brings us together.
I agree. I love that.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, if you smell this right now, you would eat everything. It smells like it's ready. It smells like it's ready. Cooking up a storm. Oh,
That's just the beginning.
smell like it's the ending.
No, not yet. Not yet.
Guys, everything is looking so good. And the smell, it's like a restaurant in here. Your family or friends request for you to cook this anytime they come over?
Yes, definitely. My husband and I do have some friends that request it. And then it's just after jambalaya. Then it's like, oh, so you're gonna make some gumbo next? Oh, you're gonna make some po' boys next?
Oh,
So the list just keeps going.
I love shrimp po' boys. When I went to
That's
New
so good.
Orleans, I tried it for the first time. It was so long
Yes.
and a lot of meat and
Yes.
everything. It was so much. I thought I couldn't eat it all.
Yeah, And there's a specific bread that they use that you can only find there.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. No wonder the taste is so
Yes.
unique.
It's not, yep, it's not your traditional French bread. A little bit of garlic.
A little bit. Just a
Well,
little bit.
ooh, I love garlic.
It does bring out the flavor.
Yes. A little for me is a lot for somebody else.
You know, but with a dish like this, you can tell it needs to be seasoned heavily.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Definitely.
Looking good, guys.
Ooh. Going to add crushed tomatoes. Well, mix that in.
Wow.
Chicken broth. I prefer low sodium because you can always adjust your salt.
Looking like a soup.
Yes, but it's going to transform. First, going to add some oregano. Gotta have the Cajun seasoning, which is like a staple in my house. Louisiana hot sauce.
Oh, kicker right there.
Yes, but you can use whatever hot sauce you like. I prefer Louisiana. Your Worcestershire. I hope I'm saying it right. And then some salt. And your pepper. All right, then we just bring it to a boil. And then once it starts boiling, then we'll add our rice.
Yum. Looks good. Smells even better.
I think it's there.
Oh.
A little more salt, season to taste. Just a little more Cajun seasoning. Add the rice.
All that flavor going in the rice.
Yes. Alright. The rice will take about 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna put the lid.
And that's when you put the lid on.
Yes, and let it do its thing.
Okay. When you're cooking this, it reminds me of that Disney cartoon.
Princess and the Frog?
Is it yes.
Yes.
The Princess and the Frog.
Yes.
She was cooking for the community, and everybody just coming in with their plate, and I'm like,
Yes.
I can see that. I can see why, because this it smells of the whole neighborhood. So maybe we'll be having ding dong. How often do you cook this in your home?
Honestly, not that often. Whenever it's requested or I'm in the mood. I know my husband likes jambalaya and with catfish. So yes, so he would prefer catfish like on the side with his jambalaya. I like cornbread with my jambalaya.
When you talk about cornbread, we do have what we call festival in Jamaica, made from cornmeal, sugar, flour, salt, baking powder to make it right. Make it in a dough, deep fried in oil afterwards, and it is so good, so sweet. It's like sweet bread.
Yeah, shrimp. Shrimp.
Yes. Until they're ready to eat it. It's not enough.
Ah! So we're just gonna let that sit about 5-6 minutes covered. Once they turn pink, they are in.
This is the finished product. This is what it looks like. It smells so good. And now we are ready to plate it. It smells so good.
Thank you, thank you. The onions for garnish. Alrighty.
Wow. Okay guys, it is done. Here is the finished product. It looks so delicious. Smells even better. I love the colors, all the different flavors. You can see it. It reminds me of Jamaican food, how we use the vibrant seasonings and they always like their food to look pretty. It's good. Okay, so let's try it.
All right. You see, you feel that little kick.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, this is good.
Thank you.
And what I love about this dish is it's all in one.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to be doing all these extra stuff. And you get to choose the meats that you want, your seasoning, your flavor.
Yes.
It's good.
And there's less dishes.
That part. That part. I want to thank you so much for joining us today for preparing this delicious meal here at Rum Earth, where we're keeping the culture alive one meal at a time. Guys, everything was so delicious. The food, yummy in my tummy. I love it. I want to thank Chef Edwina again for coming over and blessing us with this jambalaya meal. It's definitely one for the books. If you ever go to New Orleans, guys, you have to try it. Join us next week for a new cultural dish. We'll be taking you to another island. It's going to be amazing. You don't want to miss it. Remember, new episodes of our Rum Earth series will be dropping every Wednesday. So make sure you turn on your post notification bell. Guys, if you haven't as yet, do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Big up yourself. Love and love alone. Bye.